All right, people, Mr. Right here with lesson 12 for trombone. In this lesson, we're going to be learning a new note, the G in fourth position in the top space. Now, remember, fourth position is when the slide is even with the end of the bell, just like so. So it's this note right here, and to get this note, you're going to have to slightly arc the back of the tongue, like ta-yi, fast air over that tongue, and then you're going to firm up your lips up against the teeth to get this note right here. All right. We have also the lower D that we already know in fourth position. We just relax the lips away from the teeth. All right. Same thing. It's just the same position, except we're firming up the lips against the teeth and arcing the back of the tongue slightly to get the higher, the G. So from the D to the G. In this lesson, in exercise 1, the whole thing is in fourth position. You're just going back and forth between the lower D and the G. So let's take a look at number 1 right here. And we're going to crescendo into that second measure when we hit that G. And that'll also help us to hit that note as well. And we want to begin each one of these notes with a da syllable on our tongue. So it's da, da, like that. And you see these little crescendos, and we have half notes here for 2 beats apiece. So let's try number 1. 1, 2, 3. In number 2, we have more of the same, just those same 2 notes. We're just doing different combinations to get used to reading this new note, this G, and being able to recognize it. Here comes number 2. 1, 2, 3. Then when we drop down to number 3, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you see this single bar connecting these stems, you know, oh, these are eighth notes that move twice as fast as a quarter note. Let's try number 3 now. 1, 2, 3. Number 4 is where we introduce some eighth note rests. Notice it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. So let's try number 4. 1, begin each note with the tongue. Cool. Now, number 5, we're just going to be walking a bit higher on the B-flat Lydian scale. We've got that G now, so we can go up a step higher. And remember, it's in fourth position. So we'll be going up in half notes, 2 beats apiece, then coming down in quarter notes, and then just walking around on it, okay? Gonna be fun. Ready? Number 5. 1, 2, 3. The neat thing about the Lydian scale is it has this ethereal sound to it because of the 4th scale degree being raised. This next little tune I wrote, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest of it's pretty simple. So you want to play this in a majestic style, a burst of air with each tongue, like so. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, number 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 2 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 2 3 and 4 1 2 3. So here comes number 7. 1 2. Then we have number 8, walking up that Lydian scale. 1 and 2 and 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 4 1 2 3 and 4 1 2 3 4. Let's try it. Ready? 1 2. In playing these eighth notes like that, what you want to make sure you're doing is using the tongue. You move the slide quickly, and you just let the tongue do a lot of the work as far as popping those notes in the right spot. So that should give you a good idea as to how to tackle Lesson 12 for the trombone.